Hello everyone, I am Alexandra Jane, and today I will be reviewing Dylan Werner's yoga videos on Alo Moves. Before we get started, I will say I'm wearing a top from Woven Threads, which is my absolute favorite yoga clothes brand, and I have a 20% discount code, so you can see the link in the description, and the code is AlexandraJane20. You can also see that in the description. It is an affiliate code, so if you decide to get something, I do get a percentage of it, but it really is amazing. It's eco-friendly, it's made out of plastic bottles, and the softest clothes. So let's get straight into the video. So Dylan Werner is currently the #1 most popular yoga teacher on Alo Moves, and he has over 100 videos up on the platform. However, he wasn't always getting this recognition with yoga. He started off as a paramedic, and he was teaching yoga part-time and eventually transitioned to teaching full-time in LA, but it was very hard because of how saturated LA is with yoga teachers. So originally he only had 1 or 5 students in his classes, which gives hope to me because I also am just starting off and trying to build a following, I guess, or just to share yoga with the world. So he is inspirational, and I also wanted to see how I felt about his yoga videos and see whether I would recommend them to all of you. So during this video, I'm going to be taking the videos and giving a brief review after each video, and then at the very end, I'm going to do a full review of how I felt about his teaching. If you want to jump to the full review, then this is the timestamp. Otherwise, stick around. The first Dylan Werner video that I will be doing is a meditation video called Calm. I really enjoyed that guided meditation, so he guided us through a meditation and he was playing this music. I often don't really listen when people guide me through a meditation. It's hard for me to focus on that and I get a little bit in my head. But having that music was really nice. It was some good sound therapy. And what is this instrument called? Let me know if you guys know. It says, this 60-minute Vinyasa class will lengthen, strengthen, and energize your spine. So from what it sounds like, there's back bends, strong side body exercises, deep twists, and forward folds. And I'm excited to get into it. The yoga practice is done. At the end, during Shavasana, he played this, which is the same instrument he played during the meditation, and I really like that. And he plays it well. I mean, I don't know anything about that instrument. Once again, if you guys know what it is, tell me. So his classes are not for beginners, I don't think. Like his general, that flow was not for a beginner. We started off, we were going straight into a wild thing. We were doing a lot of movements where if you're a beginner and you don't know your body too well, it might be hard to warm up that way. It was a full body flow and we did go over the whole body. I do feel a lot of release, and I feel like his sequencing, the postures that we do, they make sense together, and so they do lead to you feeling good at the end and probably having good results. So I'm looking forward to see the rest of his videos, and I will check back in with you later. So far, I haven't found any of Dylan's videos to be particularly well suited for a beginner, so I chose a series called Dusk Therapy, and I'm doing a video called Revive, which is 33 minutes long, to see if this series is beginner friendly. See you on the mat. Today I'm going to do one of Dylan's more strength-based workouts. So the video I'm going to follow is day 1, strength practice 1 from his series called True Strength Evolution 1. And I'm a bit worried because I think this is going to be very challenging, but let's see how it goes. So that was so intense. With the Ashley Gavin video, I also said I really need to work on strength. I don't do it. I think I really should start because, wow, my abs were shaking in downward facing dog afterwards. And I don't even think this was a hard one compared to the really crazy things that he does. So, wake up call. See you later. Question number 1. Why did I decide to follow his videos? I decided to follow his videos because he's the most popular yoga teacher on Alo Moves, and I wanted to see what all of the hype was about. Was it just because he has a very advanced yoga practice, or was it because his teaching was really amazing and he brought some insight to the practice? Question number 2. Would I recommend his videos, and if so, to who? Yes, I would recommend his videos. I would recommend them for someone that's intermediate to advanced, maybe a beginner that wants to challenge themselves. He did have some videos that were listed as beginner, although I wouldn't say they were completely beginner. But I know when I was first starting out, I really liked the challenge because yoga for me, the mental aspect was the hardest. So when I was moving a lot, I wasn't thinking about the mental aspect. So challenging myself was what felt the easiest in reality. So maybe that's the case for you. And I think that since he practiced martial arts before going to yoga, he himself may have never been a beginner yoga practitioner. And that kind of shows in his teaching because in his beginner classes, he's not doing things that most beginners would be able to do. But that's the only somewhat negative comment I would make about his teaching because it's really great and I'll get more into it. Question number 3, would I do his videos again? Yes, I would absolutely do his videos again. He has so much knowledge on the body, on the way that bodies move, on yoga. When he teaches, he does it in his own unique way, and he does it from a place of knowledge and research, not just something that someone else told him and he just believed it. No, he's clearly tested out his method and it works. You feel great afterwards, you feel stretched in the ways that you're supposed to, and I would absolutely do the videos again. If you liked this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and you can subscribe for more reviews. If you would like me to review someone in particular, then let me know. I can also review platforms. I'm hoping to do that all soon. It's quarantine and I am bored, so give me something to do. And also, if you want to follow my yoga teachings, then I offer classes almost every day of the week. You can go to my Instagram at alexandra.jane.yoga or leave me a comment and I will give you all of the information. I want to stay connected during this time and I hope that you are all doing well and you have a good rest of the day. See you for my next video. Bye-bye.